Right, Friday. Wasn't expecting to be here today. I think that's one huge piece, that. But that was concreted into the floor. Right, Friday. Wasn't expecting to be here today, but wasn't expecting this fireplace to be like this either. So there you go. A lot more concrete went in there than we were expecting, and it's bigger than we were expecting. Obviously, when we got here, that was a full fireplace, hearth and everything in it, still usable, and that was a solid wall. So that skip, if I'd realised that I'd got a bigger skip, but we've just managed, because the amount of stuff that came out of there is unbelievable, and it's all made up. There's the original, there's the huge pieces of stone. I don't know if you can pick that up. There's three pieces there. There's a top piece, a bottom piece, and a thin piece at the edge there. Not the best idea for building the fireplace. And then one, I think that's one huge piece, that. So we're going to strengthen it as best we can. Put the new cheeks in, plenty of screw ties. Lintels done yesterday, so this is all just extra work that we weren't expecting. But you've got no idea till you start knocking it down. And also this one, we had no idea there's so much building up to do on this. I thought it'd be a bit of patching, not that much block work. But as I said, we've took the spine out of the building. That was the strength of the building, so we put the strength back into it. Yeah, made up with how that's turned out. So it's just the finishing touches today. Finish this, get tidied up, give it all a wipe down, and make it nice when they come back. We'll leave the fireplace, the fire surround inside. You can chuck this in the garden. I expect this to go on eBay or something. I think it's cast. But that was concreted into the floor. That was unbelievable, that. And everything else is gone. So we salvaged a few bricks to patch the face side of that, and Alex is going to do the cuts for me while I get the mixing. We're just giving the batteries a boost. We definitely need another set. If you're going to be cutting all day, one set isn't enough. You need a backup set, so obviously while the one's charging, the other ones are working. So yeah, that's on the bucket. That's on the shopping list to get. If we've got a 5 and a 4, and I think 600 quid for an 8. So if we buy another 5, we've got 2 5s as a backup. And you can also use the Airbauer, the B&Q's own Airbauer batteries. They're the same batteries, same manufacturer. So just look out for deals. Dirty saw from using water suppression. Oh yeah, water suppression in the living room. That's another first. Scaffold in the bedroom, water suppression in the living room. It worked out okay in the end, and no damp coming up through there anymore because it's got all the DPM under it. No need for insulation under it because it's a fireplace. It's going to be heated. So, right, let's get this mix sorted.
So let's talk about your new album, Little Bit of Rain. And I guess it's fair to say it's the most personal album you've ever made, isn't it?
It is. I mean, all of my songwriting is very personal. It all comes from truth. And Little Miss Twain is an album that is about a period.
Hello from the living room.
There we go. One extremely big dog door. No, that's what is it? So what's going in? Is it a fireplace or
Pardon?
is it like a fireplace going in?
Log burner.
Log burner.
So it'll heat both rooms. It could be seen for both rooms.
There we go. So there's that and that. A big old fireplace replacing job. Lovely stuff. That is that done. We just need to get a bit of water, scrub some of these stains out, but...
Radiator back on now.
Oh god, yeah. But that's the end of this video. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more, subscribe and tap on that bell. That way you always know when we upload. It's a massive help and we greatly appreciate every form of support you guys give. This has been Bricklaying with Steve and Alex with a log burner cubby hole, and we'll see you in the next one.